Let's talk about isomers. Isomers are organic compounds with the same molecular formula but different structural formula. They are mainly, well, in our context, divided into three. We have chain isomers, positional isomers, and functional isomers. So let's go ahead and take a look at chain isomers. So in chain isomers, they have the same molecular formula, but different types of chain. If they have different types of chains, then they're going to have different structures. So that's why we are calling them chain isomers. Let's go ahead and take a look at this example that we have. We have butane and 2-methyl propane. These two organic compounds have the same molecular formula. In butane, we have 4 carbons and 10 hydrogen. The same is true with 2-methyl propane. We have 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens. But as you can clearly see, we have two different chains, one with 4 carbons and the other one with 3 carbons. The 4th carbon from 2-methyl propane is coming from this branch right here. So butane and 2-methyl propane are chain isomers. They have the same molecular formula but different types of chain. We're going to touch more on that at a later stage. Let's take a look at positional isomers. In positional isomers, the same molecular formula but different position of functional group. So positional isomer, same molecular formula but different position of functional group. In our example here, we have 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. These two compounds are haloalkanes. In the first compound, the functional group, which will be our halogen, is on the first carbon. And then in 2-chloropropane, the halogen is on the second carbon. Overall, they have the same molecular formula, but they have different position of functional group. We have 1 chloropropane and 2 chloropropane. That's how they differ. And then let's take a look at this other example we have here. But1-ene. Obviously, that double bond on the first carbon can be here on the second carbon in a different structure. And the name would be but2-ene. So but1-ene and but2-ene are positional isomers. They have the same molecular formula, same number of carbon and hydrogen, but different structural formulas because of the position of the functional group. We call them positional isomers. And then lastly, functional isomers. So same molecular formula, but different functional group. We have two pairs of functional isomers. Esters and carboxylic acids are functional isomers of each other. And then ketone and aldehydes are functional isomers of each other. If you still remember, the general formula for ketone is CnH2nO. And then the general formula for aldehydes is CnH2nO. So if we are talking about an aldehyde with 4 carbons, for instance, it will have the same molecular formula with a ketone with 4 carbons because they have the same general formula. So ketones and aldehydes are functional isomers. Carboxylic acid and esters are functional isomers. They have the same molecular formula, which is not the same molecular formula, but the same general formula. Carboxylic acids and esters, which is CnH2nO2. Let's take a look at this example. The ester we have is methyl methanoate. We have 2 carbons, and then the isomer, the functional isomer of this ester would be ethanoic acid because it also has 2 carbons. Obviously, they're gonna both have 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygen. That's why we refer to them as functional isomers. Same molecular formula, but different functional group.